Welcome to our BIRKAN production. We will show you today a new generation of banknote printing consumable. This new ready-to-use product is called BIRKAN Optimum Plus. What is it? Usually, I think you are working with a rubber blanket, like this blanket, and 2 sheets of calibrated pressboard. Together you are having a thickness of 2.0 millimeters or 2.5 millimeters. Your rubber blanket is normally an unground blanket, and your 2 calibrated pressboards would have an international thickness tolerance of plus minus 10%. And your actual calibrated pressboard probably have a sinking of up to 0.1 millimeter after a short period of running on the cylinders in the machine. And this is the new generation of rubber blanket and calibrated pressboard set, a high performance packing system. It is developed and produced by BIRKAN. What is the difference to the material you are using currently? The BIRKAN Optimum Plus is a set ready to use. It consists of a rubber blanket with a ground rubber surface. Grinding the rubber surface means for you an equal thickness all over the blanket, which is 0.5 millimeters everywhere. A big advantage for you. Regarding the calibrated pressboards, the BIRKAN Optimum Plus system has 3 different qualities of pressboards. A hard one, a hybrid one, and a soft one. 2 of these 3 different pressboards do not have any sinking during the whole running time. Less sinking means less pressure inside the machine and therefore a longer service life. A second advantage of these sets is that BIRKAN is already grinding the edges of the press boards. This means that the BIRKAN boards do not damage the rubber blanket on top of the set. And last but not least, and this is the most important part of this set, each set is measured by BIRKAN in thickness and collected together, as you can see here. So we deliver to you already perfectly finalized sets, which are having nearly the same thickness from the left side to the right side, from the beginning to the end of the printing area, and from one rubber blanket unit to the second and the third rubber blanket unit. You always receive 3 sets of the total same thickness inside of each package for one complete machine exchange. And these are the benefits of our new system, the BIRKAN Optimum Plus sets. A top printing performance, an equal pressure across all printing units, a longer life of the set on the cylinder, starting with approximately 25% less pressure between the rubber blanket cylinder and the plate cylinder. Less pressure inside the machine means less pressure to the gears. This is the new generation of a banknote printing consumable. You should test it. You will see the advantages already from the beginning.